TeckNet has been providing us a lot of tech-related stuff for review, and here's one of them, a doorbell. Let's open it. It's such a big box, but there's such a teeny tiny box. I could use that later. Here's the TeckNet doorbell. Whoa! Here. Oh my gosh, it already turned on. Cardboard. Ooh, there's some screws and stuff. This is a 2-year warranty card, and these are the instructions, so let's put those away. And this piece of foam and these screws are to attach this to the wall, but we're just going to demonstrate that to you later. And here, these two are the doorbell thingies. These two have a 250 meter range, so you can still use it in a large mansion. This could be a wireless remote control for the doorbell, or you could just stick it to something near your door or on your door, and then just press this button and it'll make a doorbell. There are 32 ringtones, and you can change them by pressing this plus sign for up and this minus sign for down. And you can change the 4 volume levels by pressing this volume button. We have to fix this unit in an electric outlet, and then we'll be all set. So let's go. Let's plug it in. That's the confirmation that it's all set. So let's set it. This is a great product and is available on Amazon for $9. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy it. While you check out this product on Amazon, I'm going to have some more fun with this music. Bye!
Wait,